we go. Third box. The Vermilion Bloodline set 11 of Dragon Ball Super. This card game, super fun. We're going to open this up. I already got it started. So it wouldn't take nearly as long to get this plastic off because we have no idea what's going to be in here. We're going to try to get another secret rare. If we already got the Broly. Now, we'd love to pull another one of those, but if we can get the blue Hachiyak, I mean, good night. That would be where it's at, but we'll take what we can get. Open some packs. The addiction is real for opening these packs. Some good serving stuff. We got another Golemite. A nice Oob. Really good card for the new Vegito, like I already said. We got another Vegeta Majin, which that might be my favorite version of Vegeta. Majin Vegeta. Ugh. And I wouldn't mind pulling the SPR version of that card either as we drop everything. We got a Toa, some Dragon Balls, boom, 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 and a little Hollow Boo, looking real strong as a baby, and then a Super Ice Ray. Womp so far. But we got that. We got Gohan. We got we got Super Blitz Wave Generator. Super nice card. And then got a Gotenks Earth Shattering. So that's our first super rare. Good card. Good Unison. Definitely wanna get a place out of those. And we got the Prince Majin Vegeta. I mean, let's just be honest. Definitely the best version of Vegeta that you can get. Keep going. Immortal, Paragus. We got a nice little demonic trickster, the Devil Man himself. And then we got this very beautiful Gogeta, another super rare. The SPR version of this card is so good looking, it's ridiculous. So we're going to hopefully pull at least one of those, but you can't beat that either. We got a nice little Paragus. Ooh, I think we got our box topper. There's the Hollow Sun Go. Oh, no, we got another Garlic Jr. SPR. Beautiful card. Look at him shining and shimmering. Not really sure about this deck yet. Lots of people crapped on it, and then it was doing pretty well on the online scene, and then we'll see. I mean, yellow's always going to be good. Go. Oh, I think this is the first Gohan leader I have pulled, so that's good to get this little Sun Gohan leader. He's very good with especially the vanilla card, so we'll see what happens with that. Another Oob, which is really exciting. You want as many, you definitely want to place out of that. Look at a nice little final shine attack. We got a beautiful black dark Broly, and then super combo Raditz. So good stuff there. Right, some Angry Bulma, some more dragon stuff. Another baby. Oh, look at that instant transmission, 10 times Kamehameha. There's some GT for you, and then a good SS3 Vegeta for some black stuff. So, keep on moving. Haru, the Majin Quickening. We've got that very beautiful Gogeta, new Gogeta leader. Not as good as people were thinking, but still nice to have. Got a hollow SSB Vegeta Technique Unchained, so that's beautiful. And another Vegeta Prince. Alright, let's see what we got. Youth, Toa, another good Gotenks card. Got Planet Truffle, Mako Star Hollow, and then Vegeta Discipline Warrior, another super combo. One of the rares from the set. New super combos, gonna be real good. Get some hollow stuff here. Oh, that's a good card to pull hollow because he is quite good for blue. And then we have a Shenron, good card as well for them Shadow Dragons. Gotta love Majin Vegeta. Take it. Another Golemite, which is good. Nice Rebellion Hammer, uncommon hollow. And then we got another Demon Realm Ravager Dark Broly. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. All right, about halfway through. Need to get some more pluses off this. It'd be nice to finally pull that blue Hatchiyak. That would be great. That would be phenomenal. And I think, so we got a Garlic Jr. Holo Leader, which is really nice. And this card, oh, if you're a Majin Vegeta fan, like this isn't a very expensive card. It is the SPR version, but good night. Right about when he's going to explode in the series. And just look at the artwork in that card. Just so good. I'm very happy to pull this card. I'll take that. So good. What's our second SPR? Ooh, a little foil super combo action. You're never going to turn that away. And then a Vegeta ready to rumble. You know people are going to be hunting for those super combos holo, so that's always good to pull. Now, a Videl, Hero's Daughter. Don't know how many people are going to be looking for that foil, but then we got another Gogeta, Fusion of the Gods. Would like to get some more swap stuff. I haven't seen a lot of the Broly swap stuff that we've gotten so far, but we got a holo. Oh, just spoiled a super rare. And we got a holo Mew and this beautiful Bardock Strategic Line. Deflect, maybe the best skill in the game. Can't stop it from coming out and just wrecking havoc. Good card, good card. Hopefully that's an indication that we get some more Broly stuff. Speaking of Broly, look at that beautiful leader. Gotta be a fan of that. Broly Savage Rush, that's just a really good card as well. Another baby leader, another Oob. Ooh, I do love the foiling for Gotenks. I'm a big Gotenks guy. And there we go. That is another super rare Broly for the swap engine. That's basically the top of the chain and just good looking. Gotta love it. We go. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Oh, another foil Golemite. I mean, if you stop here, you got a Great Saiyaman super combo. If you look at these foils too, the commons and the uncommons, they take the box away, and it's just full foil. It's just a full picture, and it looks so good. Yu-Gi-Oh doesn't do this. They don't ever get rid of the box. So this just like you get the full picture and the full scene, and it's just so nice that Bandai does that. Keep on going. We got a Son Gohan here to help, and then we have the Broly chain. So this is what you want to see. You want to see them Broly chains, especially since in previous sets we got this fancy guy. Not to show off, but we do have one of these. Not from this box, but we still got time. Gogeta, another Gotenks, good stuff. I kind of just want to mess around with this. I don't know how competitive the green Gotenks is, but man, good stuff. And then another Vegito Peerless Warrior, which is really good. Good rare. There we go. There's the Shenron, the Diabolic, and another baby Gohan. Stopping attacks for blue. Alright, we got Vinegar of the 4, and then another super combo for Krillin. Couple more packs. Still, secret rare hunting. Still a chance. Another Golemite. Really good card. Bulma Holo, and then we have, a 4. Yeah, you want this. You want this, Boo. Not foil, but a really good card, especially for the Boo evolution chain in green. Which green's looking good. Green's looking good. Boo, again, I think this is going to be our box topper that they guarantee you. So that's Tardo. No, a Violent Rays. All right, really good card. You want to have at least 2 or 3 of these if you can get 4, because they're just hard to pull. They're going for $20, and it's a really good red card. So There's a reason they're going for that much. They are good. All right, last pack. Let's see. I'm happy to get that Violet Rays, but you know what would be even better? Son Goku, Shadow, and Womp Womp. But still, pretty good all in all. Bring this back just because it's so good looking. Not hard to pull. Everybody seems to be pulling it, but good night. Look how good Vegeta looks. Never looked better than when he was Majin. But that's what we got, guys. Thanks so much. Subscribe, like, do all that fun stuff.